Good morning everyone, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today we are in Bali, Indonesia. So this is from my balcony. I'm staying at the Novotel Hotel in, or resort, I don't know if it's a hotel or resort, but it's in Nusa Dua. So it's kind of the southeast side of the island. So we just checked in late last night. We had a long flight. We had a 15-hour flight from Toronto to Taipei, Taiwan, and then a 5-hour layover, and then another 5-hour flight from Taiwan to Bali. So we arrived kind of late last night, so we just kind of checked into our room and then just got dinner. We just walked kind of like down the street. You can hear probably the scooters and the noise. It's actually kind of a busy street, which is kind of good just to be able to find like food and shops and stuff. So we had dinner last night at Tropical, which I would definitely recommend, especially me as a vegan. I was able to find something. I got I think it's called garang, which is like fried noodles, kind of one of their national dishes. So I had that with vegetables, and then we had spring rolls, and I had lime ginger drink, which was awesome, so good. They have a lot of fresh juices and smoothies here, so I'm hoping to find a pink dragon fruit smoothie bowl for breakfast. Well, we shall see. So this resort actually does come with breakfast included, which is good because most days we're going to be out with excursions and stuff, so we don't really need the other meals covered because we don't really want to have to come back here because we've already, you know, paid for the meal or whatever. So kind of works out good. We'll just get up every morning, do our excursions, and then find out food wherever we are at that time. So it's perfect. So today we have an excursion, no surprise, because every day is going to be packed probably. Especially your first time here, you want to experience everything. So today we're going to the Monkey Forest, and then after that it's going to be the temple. And one of the temples is actually on the water, and so we're going to be there, planning to be there around sunset, which should be awesome. So anyways, this is the view. Definitely a cool place, so I'm going to take you guys along and I'll show you what I end up getting for breakfast. Bye! Alright, so we're on our transfer and it's included in the tour, so they just picked us up from the hotel, so now we're just picking up other people at a different hotel and we're on our way to the Monkey Forest. So I probably should have. We all got sarong, so check out our nice green sarong. So fancy. These were matching.
Because the monkeys is outside, yeah, it's the monkeys, yeah, but you will see more inside, yeah, then
So we're at the Monkey Forest and there's already monkeys right outside.
This is your family or company?
Don't freak out. She wants you to stand. Yeah. Should I put it on my hand?
Yeah, after. Moment. Okay, baby come. Moment. Okay, good. The camera.
Heavy?
Yeah, okay.
So our tour guide just said there's more than 1,000 monkeys here. Look at them all behind me. They are so adorable. So the monkey just came and took Connie's hat right off her head. So he's over there enjoying the hat, and our tour guide's trying to get it back. He does not want to give it up.
He won't. No problem.
He's off like a
bring it back,
racist. Oh, he's coming back. I think he told him go return it and say sorry. Oh no, there he goes over the wall. He's
He
gone.
doesn't want it.
They're bribing him with food. Okay, so Connie got her hat back. And this lady saved the day.
And another one tried to take this one.
Yeah, and Connie's like, you're not getting my iPhone. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Food. Ah, this come. Very small.
Oh, you're hanging the hat too, aren't you?
Oh, there's a baby with the mohawk. So tiny. So when you come to this place, you can't have your sunglasses. The monkeys will take your sunglasses and clearly your hat. So you can't have anything really, but I am holding a camera and I have a purse on and they haven't tried to grab it yet. We'll see.
Yeah.
Look at how huge. Is that a real oh my god.
You drink apple juice.
This is sibling rivalry right here.
Right?
Mang, kadang permen kecil. Olah robot.
We're now going to our last destination for the day, and it's Tanah Lot. We're here for the sunset, so it's about 5:08. Apparently the sunset's supposed to be around 6:10 to 6:20. So we just walked through a little market, which is the entrance, so we'll see if we get the sunset.
Oh, in Pertiwi.
Pardon?
Your hotel will be in Pertiwi, yeah, in Ubud.
So here's the temple, but the sun is right behind it, so it's kind of hard to see. So we're going to kind of walk a little bit farther and see if we can get a better view.
You go there to take photos, yeah.